Hi guys, it's Jazzy Rose and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a highly requested video on my eyelashes. People were asking me how I got my bottom eyelashes the way that I did. So if you guys are interested, please continue watching. So guys, if you follow me on social media, I'm pretty sure that you know that I just recently got a lash lift. I don't want you guys to think that you need a lash lift in order to get this look. I've been doing this before I even got the lash lift. Yes, the lash lift does enhance this look a little bit, and only for the top lashes. They don't do the bottom. But if you want to take a eyelash curler and curl your eyelashes before you do anything, feel free to do so, because that's really just what the eyelash lift does. It just curls your eyelashes. So I'm going to get into a few of my favorite mascaras that I do love and that I recommend for you to use. You can use whatever you like to use, but for me, I'm just going to give you guys a few suggestions. So now you're going to see also too that I like to use the small mascaras. This is Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte, and I usually get the small ones because I use my mascara a lot. I'm also very clumsy. I don't always close it and then they get dry, and I'd rather my $10, $12 mascara get dried than my $20, $22 mascara get dried out. Just makes me feel better and I can sleep better at night. So that's why I do that. Also, I suggest Makeup Forever Excessive Lashes. This is really good. I actually got this, I think, in Ipsy, and it really put me onto it. I was like, that's my shit right there. And Marc Jacobs. This is also another one of my faves. And I like Dior Show from, of course, Dior. But today, I'm not going to be using those. I wish I can also show you L'Oreal. It's called the Feline one. Oh my god, like that one really is like one of my favorites. I actually use that mostly. That's why I don't see it, because I used all of it. I have to really go get a new one and haven't had the time to. But that really is one of my faves. Between the two, I would say the Feline and the Lights Camera Lashes. Those are like my two recommended ones that I suggest that you get. But I'm going to be using today, it's called The Feathers from Pretty Vulgar. Now, when I was in Sephora the other day with my sister, what really caught my eye was this. Like, it just looks so beautiful and it's different. I didn't even notice the bird. I saw this. But when I saw it in Sephora, I always look at the brush. This, you guys don't see this? This is effing beautiful. Like, I saw that, I was like, oh my god. So I haven't really even been able to use it either, just because I've been so on the go. So this is kind of like a little bit of a review for it as well. So now we're gonna get into our lashes. First things first. Now I'm gonna really try not to have like the mirror in my face like this, because that's usually how I do my makeup, especially my lashes. But you're going to want to, if you want to get an eyelash curler, get an eyelash curler and curl your eyelashes, go ahead. But two main things that you're really going to need besides your mascara, of course, a Q-tip, because I get it always all over my eye. And for your bottom lashes, you're going to need a tweezer. So these two things you need. Now, I'm going to start with the top lashes first, just because that's the easiest and the quickest. And I'm going to try to, let me see if I could zoom up here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your eyelash curler. That's really what I was about to say. You're going to take your mascara and you're going to start it right here. And you're going to shift it back and forth. And that's it. Now, if you see that this is like clumping together and you want your lashes to go this way, move them. Add more of the product on if you need it, and just shift it back and forth. And you see this is going kind of like this way. Just fix it and move it. back and forth. And try to get the tips too in the same motion, just back and forth. And I'm gonna also turn it a little bit. Just because it's going this way doesn't mean you always need to use it this way. See, now I really want to get in here, take the tip of the mascara and just brush it. You don't have to go side to side because you'll probably end up poking yourself in your eye, but get it. You want your eyelashes to look nice and full, so try to get every lash that you have. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. You're gonna back and forth, and you move up, back and forth, and move up. It might seem a little awkward at first, but you'll end up getting it. Get in there and shape them too. Just because you see someone brush it like this, like just brushing it up like that isn't gonna give you that volume. This is kind of like rubbing the product more onto your eyelashes, so it's gonna make your eyelashes look thicker and fuller. Get the top of it too. Now we're going to go back into a second coat for the other eye. You can go up to like 2-3 times. You want to make sure that when you do your first coat, you go to the other eye, or you can do your bottom lash, but we're going to go with the other eye. You want this to dry a little bit before you put on your second coat. So it makes it like stick a little bit better. So once again, side to side. And we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. Just back in that motion, moving it side to side. Now if you want to go back in with a third coat, go ahead. I think 2 is going to be enough. Now for the bottom lashes. This is what really everybody was the bottom. Same thing. Take it. You're going to go down onto your lower lashes, and you don't have to move it in that that back and forth motion. Just brush your eyelashes. Real careful, because I usually get my mascara all here. Now you're going to take the tip of your mascara, and now you're going to do it side to side. Now, before you do anything, because you don't want this to dry too long, you're going to take your tweezer, and you're going to, everything that you want to stick together, you're going to just squeeze it. Just to give it like that false look. If you feel you need to go back in with a little bit more mascara, go ahead. Same thing on the other eye. Oh, sorry guys. Just brush them. Now take the tip of your mascara and I don't know what's going on with that lash right there, but the fuck. And now go back with your tweezer and just clump together the lashes that you want to stick together. I don't know what's going on with that one right there, but that's annoying as shit. And if you feel you need to go back in, like I'm not really loving this one right here. Here we go. It needed a little bit more product. This one, oh, careful you don't want too much. Should have left this one. Shit. It's quite alright though. I'm gonna use my tweezer again. Oh, and you're just gonna see, I don't like that right there. Be careful you don't pull your eyelashes out. That's never good. And now this is where your, I'm gonna back you guys up just a little bit. This is where your Q-tip comes in, and at the end you just clean up everything. If you want to use a little bit of makeup remover, go ahead. This one is pretty good, this mascara. It just brushes right off. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys have any more requests for videos that you would like me to post, don't hesitate to hit me up. And even if you have any questions or anything, just hit me up. I'll leave my email in the description box and I'll be more than happy to help. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.